The Facebook Pixel is a small piece of code that we use to measure your campaign, optimize, and track sales and leads. You can track your customer journey, specific events, conversions, and leads. In doing this, you can properly determine how your ads are doing. On your Needles dashboard, you'll be able to see the metrics for each pixel event you have set. And you can then drill down even deeper into which ads triggered which event. Needles will create a Facebook pixel for you if you do not have one on your own. Simply hop onto our live chat and speak with someone about getting that started. You may already have a pixel from your Facebook Business Manager from a previous campaign you've run. If you would like, you can simply link that pixel with us so we can leverage your pre-existing data. All you need to do is go to your Business Manager, click on Business Settings, click Pixels, and then Assign Partner, entering the Needles Business ID and click Confirm. The Needles Business ID is 168-541-758-167-7684. From there, send us your pixel tracking ID so we can link your pixel from our end. If you want to use our pixel, you can do so right from the Optimization tab on the left-hand menu bar. From the page, select Pixel Tracking, and you'll be taken to all of your pixel information. Simply select which pixel event you would like to use, then get my code to get the full code. For help to set up your pixel, there are guides on the bottom of the page, depending on what your website is built on. The process may be slightly different, but of course, if you need extra hand, just schedule a pixel call.